Hello everyone, my name is Tania from Cisco TAC Multi-Services team, and today we configure a basic inbound dial peer. As you know, we have several match due to the priority. The match of inbound dial peer by URI feature allows you to configure the selection of inbound dial peers to match part of the URI sent by the remote SIP entity. This feature can be used to configure policies, enforce specific call treatments, security, and route policies on each SIP trunk by the origination SIP entity. We have 4 URI matches. I mention them by the priority of match. 1. Exact pattern match. 2. Hostname or IP address. 3. User. 4. Phone number. Have in mind that if we do not have the exact pattern match, this would be the last priority. Now, let us start. First, we create the URI class. For that, we add the command voice class URI, and we add a label to identify this class. In this case, I use the label 100. Then, we specify the URI match. As I use the IP address, we use the command host IPv4. It is important to mention that you can add multiple attributes on the URI class with multiple URI matches. For example, host IPv4 and one IP, then host IPv4, another IP address, and host DNS. Now, we go to the dial peer configuration. To configure a dial peer, we use the command dial peer voice, then we add the label as in the URI class. The recommendation is to use the same label as the URI class, but it is not necessary, and we add VoIP. Then, we add all the information wanted on the dial peer, like DTMF, codecs, description, and so on. In this case, add the most basic information. Session protocol SIP version 2, and we reference the URI class made with the command incoming URI and the tag. In this case, it is incoming URI 100. Please have in mind that this is the highest priority match technique. So, if you have another inbound dial peer that matches with a different criteria, like inbound call number or calling number, URI criteria has preference over the others, as we can see on the image. Now, you know how to configure an inbound dial peer matched by URI. Thank you for the time you took to watch this video.